prepared to court arrest. What happened now, you saw the reaction. When they saw the most popular leader in the country being dragged by Islamabad police, there was a reaction all over the country. From Karachi to Khyber, people are out in the streets, they are protesting, and they will continue to protest. But I've asked them, protest is their legal constitutional right. Keep it peaceful. Do not get into people's houses. Do not destroy public or private property. But peaceful protest is our right. I'm demanding access to my chairman. I'm demanding access of the legal, our lawyer, legal team to have a meeting with Imran Khan. And I've called a meeting at 2 p.m. today at the party central office of the committee set up by Imran Khan to oversee things in case he's arrested.